by, walk by.
Wilbur! Alright, shut the door. Thank you.
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back because she's taking
Be a gift or a growl or
It's a gift.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
I pink.
Olive, come here. Come here, baby. She can't see.
Oh!
Stop kicking me.
Lulu, come on, let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk. That's a good girl.
Here you go, kitty. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
Ha! Dog's pulling him.
What do you got, food on you?
this is in the northeast part of the country there. Go get him, Ray. Go get him.
Anything there, girl?
It's my duck.
That's not your mama. You gonna pet the doggy? Pet the doggy?
Come on, Poopy. Come on, little guy. Oh! Oh! Well, that was an utmost failure.
I'm sorry, look at Goko.
Go get a treat, Winston. Go get a treat. Come on. Go get a treat. You gonna eat it? Molly, you gonna eat your broccoli?
Show me a good one. Show me a good one. Oh, that was good.
You gonna fire? She gonna fire what?
Where are you going?
The ghost dog. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
What you doing?
Tonk, do you want to play?
This officially is the laziest dog on the planet.
Echo, would you like some water with your chips?
Uh-oh. Got your claw stuck again. Oh no, you tipped. Oh!
Come on. Doesn't wanna go home.
That's a sin.
What happened, Night-Night? You got into the hedgehog's ball? How you can get out? My blanket.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, come back now.
Silver.
Here's Nacho at the park. He doesn't want to leave, so he won't walk. We have to drag him out of the park.
Sophie. Oh, no, there's Sophie. Oh, Cooper doesn't know what to do with her.
Are you stuck? Oh my gosh. How are you going to keep...
Oh, shit! That's why you use a freaking gun. Bring me my shotgun.